Hello everyone, I'm Fiona. Today I'd like to walk you through the complete cutting process of our CNC wire knife cutting machine. Our wire knife has a diameter of 1.7 mm, which means that when cutting materials of different thicknesses, the thickness of the wire itself must be taken into account, especially when working with smaller parts or high precision requirements. Here, we're showing the thickness of the waste material. Our machine allows us to control and achieve any desired cutting thickness with high accuracy. What you see here are samples cut at 10 mm, 20 mm, and 4 mm. Although the 4 mm sample may appear difficult to distinguish visually, it has been precisely measured. The slight surface markings visible on the material are a result of the raw material's inherent properties and represent normal, unavoidable loss during the cutting process. Our cutting machine is designed to deliver both precision and stability, while optimizing material usage and production efficiency, making it a reliable and efficient solution across a wide range of industries. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next video.